Do not eat this fish, it is very dangerous for your health. Does the name Basa fish ring any bell? Here's what you need to know. The Basa fish, Pangasius fillets, is sold in the form of frozen fillets all around Europe at a very cheap price, which is why it's so popular. But you should be very careful, because this fish from Vietnam is very low in quality and it can cause problems for your health. According to the experts, this fish is cultivated near the Mekong River in Vietnam, which is one of the most polluted rivers in the world. Yes, and you'll be more shocked when we tell you that this fish is cultivated in sewage pools which contain high levels of toxins and bacteria that end up in the meat. The experts warn that its meat is loaded with heavy metals, chlorate, isomers, hexachlorobenzene, and other harmful compounds. The USA has banned the import of the Basa fish due to the high levels of contaminants in the meat as well as due to the suspicion that it contains antibiotics. We're just getting started. Yes, this fish is very unhealthy and fed with waste material which can harm your health. In nature, the fish grows 4 times faster. But the Basa fish sold in our markets are injected with antibiotics and hormones that are supposed to make the fish bigger. The meat was found to contain hormones that accelerate the growth and reproduction of the fish and is then sold in partnership with big companies that have no regard for human health. As we mentioned before, this fish is sold at a very low price which attracts supermarkets and their customers to buy them, not being aware of the low quality of the meat. The fish doesn't contain many healthy nutrients and it doesn't contain omega-3 oils or other essential nutrients found in natural fish. It may be good in taste, but this fish is very dangerous for your health, which is why you should avoid it.